and what is the reason of not?
Actually, we have to understand in the constitutional government of India that we all are bound with the law. Anyone is not beyond the law. Law means logically accept or witness. I have been already told in the Grand Road of Puri that law will take its own course is always saying by our Chief Minister. But why Chief Minister is not taking the field report of the place? Like example, Alarnath on the spot, I am today, there is no corona and anyone has not any kind of fear, and this is the blessing of Jagannath and Alarnath. So that this is the place, Jagannath is bound with the organization of so many temples of Odisha and the whole over the world and the saint's heart. So that when the whole world was closed, on that time, 2020 Rath Yatra is a divine time for Odisha, and this is a divine message to the whole of the world. You all have to come to us and we will teach you and we will lead you. So that as per the spiritual capital of the world, Puri Jagannath temple is a central point of the culture of Jagannath culture. And Jagannath culture is very closely related to Alarnathji. When Jagannathji in Anavasar time, he is not able to give darshan to devotees. They are praying and they are taking darshan through Alarnath. So that Alarnath should open for the all of devotees, and I have today climbed the wall and I have entered here. If I have violated any rules, you can arrest me. I am not worried about arrest, but I want my God's darshan. That is my religious rights. So that my religious rights will be violated, then I will be violate the rule. So that you have not to create any kind of opportunity to violate the rule. We are with the government. We are not opposite of the government and we are not enemy of government. So that government should understood our emotions and they should open the temple for all. That's all. Om Namo Narayan, Languli Mat, Vaishnav Puri, Sri Panchadasanam, Juna Akhada, Singhadwar, Puri Jagannath Dham.
All the people who want to know where to come and to how to.
My ambition to establish the peace, the global peace, so that our center is Sri Panchadasanam, Juna Akhada, Kasi, Varanasi Ghat, Hanuman Ghat, Kasi, Varanasi, so that our ambition to how to establish the religion in the public, in the whole over the world, how we will be establish the peace. And the peace main ambition is unity in diversity, that is the identity of our country, so that we always open for all. So that this is the narrowness of our government of Odisha, so that when all over India is open, why Odisha is closed? And the day before yesterday you started Konark festival. Why not Alarnath temple is opening for devotees? Why Jagannath temple is not opening for devotees? When Loknath is opening in public, but in the books they are closed. But the public is happy with darshan of Loknath. Like that you can Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath. And this is the blessings of Alarnath. You can see that he is with us. So that I am praying again and again that Alarnath, please open the door for all. Please don't be obstacle on the religious way. If you will be obstacle on the religious way, you will be kicked out from the world. Om Namo Narayan.
All the people who want opening all the temples of devotees.
I'm thinking there's the government's misunderstanding with the devotees, and we are ready to obey all type of standard of operating procedure, and the devotees are ready to, and already Kartik Purnima, the well condition has and well establishment happened for the devotees, and the devotees are happy in Kartik Purnima. But the Jagannath Darshans is not happened. That is a conspiracy that how we will be defeat the devotees. But you never defeat the devotees, because the devotees are powerful with the blessings of God. So that if you are challenging to the devotees, you are challenging to God. If you will be challenge us, if you will close the door, we will climb the wall and we will enter to the temple. This is our last and final decision. If you want to stop us, that is not possible in this era. This is Puri Jagannath. This is power of Jagannath. This is love power of Jagannath.
What's your name and where are you come?
Myself, Vaishnav Puri, Languli Mat, Sri Panchadasanam, Juna Akhada, Singhadwar, Puri Jagannath.